is pretty crazy, you guys. You gotta run around with guns, and you go and you gotta shoot at other guys. These are a couple of the guys that I used to know that did some war stuff. I'm a lady now. That's my son. His name's Nugget. Sometimes you can fly big planes, but there's also explosions in war, so don't crash into them. You see this lazy bitch here? This guy just kinda tells you about stuff, but he doesn't really go to the war. But now, war is crazy. You got scientists making all kinds of devices and shit, and we're in the future, because they got crazy future devices like robots that cut bushes and shit. Our cars are still pretty retro, but they still kick ass, and we have giant wristwatches that can do all sorts of crazy shit, like ordering pizza or calling your grandmother or just telling you what time it is, with lasers. It's the future, but it's also kind of like the past still. We got people doing riots and shit, and we got all these people dropping from the skies in wars. This guy's kinda like RoboCop. He fucking kicks ass. But we still got all these other crazy motherfuckers going around with missiles and giant trucks and all sorts of other crazy shit. The shit was getting too crazy to be a lady. So I had to turn myself into a RoboCop Terminator cyborg ass-kicking motherfucker myself. Because war is pretty fucking crazy.
Looks very not good. Food court zombies are the worst.
Hey, calm your shit, zombies!
Well, set my balls on fire. What the shit happened here?
Looking good. Shit, yeah!
Thank you, mama!